In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Good morning, my dear students. Today, inshallah, we will start a new science journey. Be ready and enjoy your time. It's me, your teacher, Muhammad Ismail. Our topic today will be about adaptation in planets. Our objectives: adaptations for obtaining sunlight. So, these plants have special adaptations for their leaves to get sunlight. Such plants can be grouped as creepers or climbers. Also, so how do plants get sunlight? Why do plants need sunlight? Plants need sunlight to carry out photosynthesis process, so the plant's leaves are well positioned to receive the most sunlight. The plants need sunlight because they need their food, they need to get energy, they need to build new cells by making photosynthesis process. The leaves in a red tree are well spread out to obtain maximum sunlight. Like here, these are examples for rain tree. This rain tree are well spread out, like we see here, a lot of leaves at all the tree. They are like this to get maximum sunlight to help the plant to make photosynthesis process. Also, trees in thick jungles, like this, thick jungles, a lot of trees behind each other. These plants need to get sunlight to make their food also. So they grow tall quickly to get as much as sunlight as possible. To get as much sunlight as possible. Here also, there is some types of trees called trunks. What are trunks? Trunks are trees which have strong stem. This one is the stem, like we studied before. Here is the stem. So these plants or these trees have strong woody stem to carry a lot of branches and carry leaves to help it also to make photosynthesis process. Yes, excellent. Because stem is crucial in holding leaves in the best position to get the most sunlight. Plants that have weak stem are often soft and non-woody. Again, plants that have weak stem, their stem is weak, they often soft and non-woody. They are able to climb or creep. Yes, very good. I can hear someone say we can call them climbers. Also, they have something called tendrils, and other type is creepers. Creepers, climbers with tendrils. Okay. Here in this example, we will study what are climbers. Climbers are some trees on two supports such as walls. These plants need other trees to climb on, or other walls or fences or other plants that have strong stem. Also, some climbers have tendrils. These are here tendrils Tendrils are clasping roots to attach themselves on the supports. So these are supports and these are tendrils. The plants use them to climb on the supports. Also here, there is another type of plants called creepers. Creepers. The creepers grow horizontally on the ground like this. Their shoots spread out on all sides of the main stem. Carpet grass here is example for creepers, and mimosa are examples of creepers. Also, sweet potato plant like this is an example for creepers. You can notice with me that both of these plants are grow horizontally on the ground. Adaptation on water planets. We know that sunlight cannot reach deep into water. The deeper the water is, the less sunlight is available. So these planets try some ways to get sunlight to make their food and to be able to make photosynthesis process. Thus, to get enough sunlight, many aquatic means water plants, adapt by floating or sticking their leaves out of the water surface. Like here, this is lotus, have something called waxy leaves. Leaves covered with wax. Why? The water lily and lotus have large waxy leaves. This prevents water from collecting on the leaves. When the leaves collect water, this will sink beneath the water surface. Also, aquatic planets or planets which live in water. Water planets also have air spaces. These air spaces in their leaves and stems, air spaces keep the planet upright the water to get more sunlight. Again, if I asked you why some aquatic plants have air spaces, your answer, well, these air spaces keep the plant upright in the water to get more sunlight. The leaves of the water spaniel and water moss fern have hairs also, these hairs that trap air, like here in these pictures. Here, features of water hyacinth. Hyacinths have roots absorb dissolved minerals, and air-filled leaf stalks act as floaters. Floaters like this, these are floaters to help them to float over water. Here, water, and here above the water. Also here, the other planet here also can float on water. Also, these examples for the planets which can float on water. Your homework for today: explain for each one of these planets how can each of these plants adapt to their environment for obtaining sunlight. First one, fig jungle trees. Second one, water lily. Third one, sweet potato. Fourth one, water hyacinth. Okay. At the end of our lesson today, my best wishes for all of you. For any questions, please contact me. Have a nice day and goodbye.